We have another caller on the line. I believe it is Bella.
Yeah,
Can you hear us? Hi, Bella. How are you this evening?
I'm wonderful, thank you. How are y'all doing tonight?
Good. Or is it Della?
Yes, sir.
I was close. Very nice to talk with you, Della. How can Daniel help with your question?
Yes, sir. Well, I was wondering, I don't have a lot of money, and I don't have enough, like for attorney fees and all. And I, filled out like one of these online free wills. And can you do those, print them out, and have them notarized? Is that
Sure. So as we were saying a little bit earlier, yes, if you have those printed out, you can. They do require 2 witnesses. That's kind of the main requirement, but you also should have a notary, a self-proving affidavit in Georgia, which is a notary signing that. And so that is possible, but you really, again, want to make sure you fully understand what you're signing and making sure you're contemplating potential things that may happen between now and your passing. If you're married, your spouse may predecease you. If you have children, the children could predecease you. And so you need to have a little bit built in so that can kind of take up some of the unexpected scenarios that life may take. And so, yes, you can do that, and they can work. But I still would encourage you to sit down with an attorney. It's a worthwhile investment to make sure you fully understand. And ultimately, you may have just one consultation to sit down and go through the will that you've got, that you printed offline, and make sure it does what you want. But at least then you can be sure and have peace of mind that what you've got works.
Yeah, I would second his Daniel's advice there. At the very, very least, have someone look over what you've done, because you now called into a show. We say yes, that works, but you have to have 2 witnesses, and you go and sit in front of an attorney, and the attorney can look at this and look at it and see, well, where are the 2 witnesses that saw you sign this? And you may have just forgotten that, but that opens the door to a whole litany of litigation. You might as well have not done it at all. And you don't want to go to the next place not knowing whether or not you've actually taken care of your family in with your final acts.